All right, welcome to another edition of Sean on the Go here at Citrix Summit 2019. Did you know there's another side to Citrix Summit? And it really speaks to the culture at Citrix. What I'm talking about is what I found here, and it's called Simply Serve. We're gonna go in, we're gonna find out what Simply Serve is all about. Come on. All right, this is my good friend Linnea, and Linnea is from the
Heart of Florida United Way right here in Orlando.
And what are we doing here at this Simply Serve space at Citrix Summit, Linnea?
What we call our inventor boxes.
Okay.
And so that is a school box full of a lot of different things, popsicle sticks, pipe cleaners, paper clips, binder clips. It seems like a whole bunch of random items, but what we're hoping to do is inspire our little inventors in elementary and middle school to go wild. They can make catapults out of the popsicle sticks, bridges out of the straws, but the idea is to give them those kits in the classroom and just foster that creativity within the STEM realm.
All right, and now after we built the kit, what's next?
The next step is the fun step. You come on over to our wheel and see what prize you can win.
All right, we spin the wheel and the prize.
Perfect, you get to recruit another volunteer.
All right, so I'm gonna recruit everybody that's in the sound of my voice, whether you're here at Citrix Summit or not. Volunteering in your communities is an essential part in the way that we give back to those less fortunate. And it really is such an important part of the Citrix culture. But that's not all we're doing here at Citrix Summit in the Simply Serve booth. All right, we've made our way over to the other side of the Simply Serve booth, and we are at the Impact for Good area. And I've run into my good friends, Joe and Ira. Joe, thanks for being here.
Good to see you.
Tell me, what is going on with this little device?
So Simply Serve is really intended to help the community where we have these conferences. And so I partner with the local nonprofits and better understand the need. But with a focus on STEM education, the United Way is helping us with those STEM kits, and then Ira brought this Impact for Good idea, which is really all about exciting kids about learning how to code and getting them more involved in computers.
So Ira, people that are attending Citrix Summit actually get to work on these devices before we give them to the community.
Yeah, they're actually getting to see how they're going to make a difference in the community with a hands-on project. And what's great about this is Boys and Girls Club Central Florida serves an underserved community of children. And it's all about exposing children that would never have the opportunity to dive into STEM.
Techies here at Citrix Summit also get to do something technical in nature.
They do. And what's nice about a global conference is coding is an international language. Right now we have some of the attendees that come from different countries, and they really understand the value for young children and girls especially to get exposed to coding and make it fun. So what we did is, not only do we have these coding computers that will stay at the Boys and Girls Club centers after school programs, but this type of program using these small index cards and doing fun designs. If you flip it over, you can see what the coding's all about.
Okay, so the impact from Simply Serve is phenomenal what you're doing.
Well, we really want to make sure that the communities where we have these conferences benefit from a testimony to our culture. And it's the soft side of Citrix. It's about giving back. Our employees, our partners are so happy to use a little bit of their time to do something that they know is going to be meaningful. We walk away knowing that we've helped make a bit of a difference here.
Yeah, a lasting impression based on a phenomenal event like Citrix Summit. So, Joe,
thank you,
Ira,
Sean.
thank you so much for being a part of this. That's it for Sean on the Go here at Simply Serve Citrix Summit 2019. If you can, get out and serve the communities where you live and work in some capacity. All right, everybody, we'll catch you next time. Bye-bye.